Welcome back to our cozy kitchen, where today we are taking a culinary journey to Japan with a twist on a classic comfort food, pasta. That's right, we are going to be cooking up some delicious Japanese-style pasta udon with a flavorful twist that will have your taste buds dancing in delight. Now, we have got tender chicken, vibrant paprika, spicy chili, aromatic garlic, fragrant onion and crisp leek. And to tie it all together, we will be using a combination of savory soy sauce, sweet teriyaki sauce and rich oyster sauce, along with a touch of butter to add that extra layer of indulgence. First things first, let's get that chicken prepared. We are going to slice it into strips and fry it up until it's golden brown and cooked through. This step not only adds a wonderful protein element to our dish, but also infuses it with that irresistible umami flavor. While our kitchen is sizzling away, it's time to work on our flavor base. We will finally chop up our chili and garlic, and salt them in a luxurious pool of butter until they are beautifully fragrant and just starting to turn golden brown. Next up, we will add in our colorful array of vegetables, the paprika, onion and leek, all sliced into delicate strips that will add both texture and visual appeal to our dish. We will let them mingle and soften in the buttery garlic and chili goodness until they are just tender and bursting with flavor. Once our veggies are cooked to perfection, it's time to bring everything together in one glorious pan. We will add in our cooked chicken, followed by our cooked udon pasta, and then comes the magic, the soy sauce, teriyaki sauce, and oyster sauce, all coming together to create a symphony of savory, sweet and rich flavors that will elevate our humble pasta to new heights. We will give everything a good toss and let it simmer together for just a few minutes, allowing all those delicious flavors to melt and mingle until they are perfectly harmonized and ready to be devoured. And there you have it, folks, our Japanese-style pasta udon is ready to serve. With its tantalizing blend of flavors and textures, it's sure to be a hit at your dinner table. So why not give it a try and let your taste buds embark on their own culinary adventure? Until next time, happy cooking!